Konnichiwa, food enthusiasts and curious minds. Step inside the captivating world of Japanese school lunches, where artistry, nutrition and culture come together on one colorful tray. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the mouth-watering secrets behind these adorable bento boxes and discover why students and foodies alike can't get enough of these scrumptious meals. From sushi surprises to seasonal delights, join us on a culinary journey that will leave you hungry for more. Don't miss out on this fascinating peek into how it's made. Japanese school lunches. Japanese school lunches, or kyushoku, have their roots in the late 19th century, when Japan's government recognized the importance of proper nutrition for students' physical and mental development. Initially, these meals were provided to improve the health of underprivileged children, but the concept quickly gained popularity, spreading across schools nationwide. Over the years, kyushoku has undergone significant transformations, adapting to meet changing dietary needs and cultural preferences. Today, it stands as a symbol of Japan's commitment to promoting healthy eating habits and ensuring the well-being of its young generation. Beyond nourishment, these school lunches serve as a powerful vehicle for instilling values of community and responsibility among students. By partaking in a shared meal, students learn the essence of teamwork, respect for food, and the importance of appreciating those who prepare their meals. By providing nutritious and well-balanced meals, schools aim to enhance students' concentration and overall academic performance. This emphasis on health and nutrition is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture, where the concept of "you are what you eat" resonates strongly. Japan takes pride in its bountiful seasonal produce, and this is thoughtfully incorporated into the school lunch menu. From spring cherry blossoms to autumn harvests, students experience the joy of eating food that aligns with nature's rhythm. At the heart of every school lunch program are the incredible lunch ladies, or kyushoku shokunin, who work tirelessly to create nutritious and appetizing meals for the students. With years of experience and a deep sense of responsibility, these unsung heroes are the driving force behind the success of kyushoku. From early morning, the kitchen buzzes with activity as fresh ingredients are sourced, and the day's menu is meticulously planned to ensure a balanced and diverse meal for the students. The attention to detail is awe-inspiring. From perfectly cooked rice to neatly arranged vegetables, every element is a testament to the lunch lady's dedication and culinary expertise. Food safety and hygiene are of utmost importance in Japanese school kitchens, reflecting the nation's commitment to providing safe and healthy meals to its students. Stringent measures are in place to ensure that the food prepared and served in schools meets the highest standards of cleanliness and quality. Japanese school kitchens adhere to strict guidelines set by the government and local health authorities. These guidelines cover various aspects of food handling, storage, and preparation, aimed at preventing foodborne illnesses and maintaining a hygienic environment. Kitchen staff undergo rigorous training to understand and implement proper food safety practices. They are educated about the importance of hand washing, maintaining clean workspaces, and using separate utensils for different food items to prevent cross-contamination. Ingredients are carefully sourced from reputable suppliers with a focus on freshness and quality. Before being used in meals, produce and other ingredients undergo thorough inspections to ensure they meet safety standards. Additionally, the lunch delivery process is designed to maintain food safety. Meals are often prepared on site, reducing the risk of contamination during transportation. Specialized delivery containers and temperature-controlled systems are employed to keep the food at safe temperatures during transit. Regular inspections and audits are conducted to monitor compliance with food safety protocols. Health officials visit schools to check the kitchen's cleanliness, staff hygiene practices, and overall food handling procedures. By prioritizing food safety and hygiene, Japanese school kitchens not only provide nutritious meals, but also instill a sense of trust and confidence among students, parents, and educators. This unwavering commitment to maintaining the highest standards ensures that each student enjoys a safe and delightful lunch experience every day. Bento, a traditional Japanese meal packed into a single container, has evolved beyond its functional purpose of portability. In Japanese school lunches, bento boxes are transformed into colorful, visually appealing masterpieces that not only nourish, but also delight the senses. The bento's artistic potential reaches its zenith with kyaraben, a charming subgenre of bento where the food is crafted to resemble beloved characters from popular culture, anime, and even animals. The creativity knows no bounds, and lunch ladies pour their hearts into making each Kyara-ben a work of art that leaves the students beaming with delight. We'll showcase some jaw-dropping examples of Kyara-ben, featuring iconic characters like Pikachu, Totoro, Hello Kitty, and more. These edible creations often leave students in awe, making lunchtime a memorable experience beyond the flavors. Moreover, bento boxes are an excellent way to introduce children to a balanced diet. With different compartments neatly packed with grains, proteins, vegetables, and fruits, the bento teaches kids the importance of eating a diverse and nutritious meal. Beyond Kyara-ben, we'll also witness traditional bento arrangements, known as Ichiju Sansai, 1 soup, 3 dishes. This classic approach emphasizes simplicity and elegance while ensuring a well-rounded meal. The harmony of flavors and textures in these bento boxes is a testament to Japan's culinary finesse. It's worth noting that bento making is not limited to the school kitchen. Many parents take pride in crafting special bento boxes for their children, a practice known as Kyara-ben Oyako, character bento parent and child. This touching gesture strengthens the bond between parents and their kids and enhances the overall lunchtime experience. Japanese school lunches are meticulously crafted to provide students with balanced and wholesome meals. The menus are carefully planned to include a variety of food groups, ensuring that students receive the necessary nutrients for their growth and development. Vegetables, fruits, proteins, grains, and dairy products find their way into each bento box, offering a diverse array of flavors and textures. These nutritionally rich meals play a significant part in enhancing students' concentration and academic performance. By fueling their bodies with wholesome food, students are better equipped to focus on their studies and participate actively in classroom activities. Teachers often notice an improvement in the students' attention span and energy levels after a satisfying lunch. Beyond physical nourishment, Japanese school lunches also serve as an educational tool. During lunchtime, students learn essential values such as gratitude, responsibility, and respect for food. In a unique approach called Oyatsu no Jikan, snack time, students take on the responsibility of cleaning up after their meal, fostering a sense of ownership and care for their surroundings. School lunches also provide opportunities for cultural education. As students are exposed to diverse regional dishes and seasonal delicacies, they gain an understanding and appreciation for the rich culinary heritage of Japan. The bento boxes, with their artistic representation of characters and cultural symbols, are a fun way to introduce Japanese folklore and pop culture to the younger generation. Lunch breaks offer students a chance to develop social skills and build friendships. Sharing meals together strengthens bonds among classmates and creates a sense of unity within the school community. Teachers often encourage students to engage in conversations during lunch, fostering communication and empathy among peers. To ensure that students make the most of their lunchtime, schools often incorporate nutrition education into their curriculum. Lessons on healthy eating habits, food origins, and cooking workshops are commonly held, empowering students to make informed choices about their diet. Japan takes great pride in its seasonal cuisine, and school lunches are no exception. As the seasons change, so does the menu, offering students an ever-changing array of flavors and ingredients to savor. During the vibrant spring season, students may find cherry blossom-themed treats celebrating the iconic sakura blooms. In summer, refreshing dishes featuring seasonal fruits and vegetables help beat the heat, while autumn brings hearty and comforting flavors like chestnuts and sweet potatoes. The winter season brings its own share of warmth and joy, with heartwarming soups and stews making their appearance. These seasonal surprises not only tantalize the taste buds, but also serve as a valuable lesson in the connection between food and nature, encouraging students to appreciate the bounty of each season and the importance of eating in harmony with the changing environment. Now we've witnessed how these daily meals go beyond nourishment, becoming a cultural experience that nourishes the mind, body, and soul. Japanese school lunches exemplify the country's commitment to promoting health, education, and a sense of community among students. Sayonara, and see you in the next exciting episode of How It's Made.